It's Ken with Deuce New York City Studios, and today we are at DMEXCO, and we are outside of the Pimcore area, and I have Rajneesh with me. Rajneesh, tell me a little bit about what you are doing at Pimcore.
So I'm heading marketing function at Pimcore. I'm head of marketing, and we are happy to be here. And we are revolutionizing and changing the data management and experience management world for the enterprises.
All right, that sounds really cool. I think data management is very important, and it's a big subject for a lot of brands and a lot of corporations and things of that nature. How are you helping people reach their goals and succeed?
Sure. So we are helping companies to manage their scattered data, to manage their any data set of problem with the help of spectacular data management solution. They can have a lot of value proposition, like they can have less time to market. They can reach out to the market faster. Then they can have less total cost of ownership, and many more value proposition that we offer to the enterprises.
That's really cool. That sounds like a really important thing for companies to have and be able to provide them with that kind of service. Now, you're here at DMEXCO. Is it your first time in Cologne?
Yes, this is my first time in Cologne. Yeah, your first time.
Very, very nice. So I hope you're enjoying it. Now, it looks like you guys have some amazing things going on, like Masterclasses and like a whole bunch of other things. Tell me a little bit about what you're offering at DMEXCO and how your DMEXCO experience has been.
So it was awesome, right? So we came here with the Alpine Fushion concept, where we are bringing the Alpine culture to DMEXCO here at Cologne, and then we are having this Alpine Fusion hut, and with the here are 8 partners with us, having masterclasses on various topics. They are showcasing their customer success stories, that how they help the enterprises on top of Pimcore. Yeah, so it was good, overwhelming, and it was crazy, and we are looking forward for day 2.
All right. Yeah, we are on day 2, and that's pretty exciting. So very curious, what can people expect from Pimcore? Like, what is something that if they were to visit your booth today, what is like some of the masterclass topics that they might be able to hear?
So yeah, it's, as I said, this is on various topics, where our 4 masterclasses we had yesterday, and today again we are going to have another 4 masterclasses on various topics, as our partners are showcasing their customer stories, like how they solve the data management problem, and how they actually solve experience management problem for their customers, and how they are helping them out to achieving their goals.
Very cool. Now, I'm guessing that you guys are on LinkedIn, most definitely, and I will probably add that in the description down below, so you'll be able to find that link. But are you guys on other social media platforms?
Yes, we are on LinkedIn. Along with that, we are on Facebook, Twitter. Please follow us.
Give them a follow on X, Twitter. We'll see how that changes anyways with things going on. Now, it's really been nice meeting you, and I think Pimcore has a lot to offer. It's really exciting. I think giving back to the community as well, too, and having those master classes is really nice. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your DMEXCO. And again, I will put all the information down in the description down below. That way you can connect with Pimcore and learn more about them as well. And as always, happy creating. Enjoy the rest of DMEXCO. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's hope that Pimcore comes back to DMEXCO in 2024, because they have masterclasses such as enterprise product and brand experience with data at the core, plus unleashing the e-commerce magic. They also have these little areas set up where they can meet with clients to talk more about what Pimcore has to offer, plus an amazing party that went till the wee hours of the morning.